everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a bit of a different video as it's more fashion based, and also I've been buying things off eBay. I don't know about you, but I love buying things from there. I mean, not everything is great, as I'm sure you're going to find out during this video, but things are cheap and there's pretty much anything you can think of on there. One thing you might not know about me is that I am a huge lingerie lover. I sort of collect it a little bit. I just have like so much and I'm always buying more. So of course I went onto eBay to see what I could find, and I managed to find a few things that were also 99p or less. Obviously, as you expect, the quality is questionable, and I've also tried to get pictures of me wearing these to show you what they look like on. Some of them might not be right to go on the internet, if that makes any sense. So we'll see how it goes, but I will of course put up the picture of how it looked on the listing, and you can see either with me wearing it or me just holding it up if it compares and if it's actually anything like the picture. So let's get on and start with the first one. So the first that I ordered is one that I have seen literally all over eBay, all over like Instagram and different things. So of course I was intrigued in how it would turn up for 99p. Obviously there was so many listings of it more expensive, but of course I might see this video with 99p lingerie, so I'll put up a picture now of how it looked on the listing. See, it looks pretty good on that listing. You expect something quite decent. And this is what turned up. So as you can see, it is quite similar to the listing. It's got like the binding thing all the way through it. I mean, it's not bad, but the thing is, like, where it's sort of sewn together, it's really not very good at all. I mean, the lace is pretty soft for 99p. The one thing I can say is that the lace is not actually quite white. It's more sort of like a creamy grey colour. But that's the top, and then these are the little knickers that come with them. And these are actually quite cute. They look really, really small, but they're really cute. And now I will put up a picture of me wearing it. As you can see in the picture, the knickers actually fit really, really well, and I actually really like them. They're really comfortable. This doesn't really like dig into you at all, and it is pretty stretchy. So yeah, they are definitely like a thumbs up. The top, however, it just does not fit me. It doesn't look right. I know I am a lot smaller than the girl in the picture, but it just doesn't even sit how it's supposed to at all. And obviously in the picture, like, it's got these bits of lace here. I folded it down to try and make it look a little bit better, but I don't really know what you can do to improve the top. I don't know if it's just because I'm like a lot smaller, or I don't know, or if that's just how it's been cut. I'm not sure. But yeah, the top, I don't like it whatsoever, and I will not be wearing it. And I don't think there's anything I can even do to sort of improve it at all. But yeah, so I like half of it, so that's not too bad. The next set I've got is a black one. I actually wear black more than white, but I just like that one in white, the previous one. And this is what sort of turned up for this one. As you see, it's like pretty strappy. I'll put a picture up now of it on the listing. This is the black set. This is the top, and these bits you actually wrap around you in the listing, as you can see. It did come with another set of these that was sort of a bit further over, but I took these off because it didn't suit me at all. It just didn't look right. And I also changed the band to a piece of elastic, as that one didn't fit me either. I mean, I did these changes before I thought about making the video, so that's why they look different now. But yeah, I actually really, really like this set on. I'll also put up a picture now of me wearing this one. So as you see, this set fits so much better than the last one. I actually really like this top on. Like, the lace is just so soft. I can't even actually believe this was 99p. It's like amazing for that price. Yeah, it fits me well, and I just like how it looks on. I love little bralettes that just fit sort of how that one does. And then the knickers it came with are these, and these like proper little strappy ones. They actually look so good on, and these again are so comfortable. It seems to be a thing with these sets that maybe one part of it is better than the other, apart from this black one. But yeah, these are comfortable. They look so flattering when they're on. And yeah, I mean, once again, the sewing is not brilliant on the back. But of course, if you want, you can always sort of change that yourself or just add to it. But yeah, that black set I actually really like, and I will be wearing. The last thing I got is a bodysuit, and once again, I've seen this all over eBay and all over like Instagram and things. It said on the listing, I'll show you the picture of the listing right now. It says on that it's gold. To me, gold is sort of yellowy. I don't know how you put that in the fabric, to be honest, but the one that turned up and what I got is this. And this is more of sort of like a peachy colour. It's not a bad colour, it's just not a colour I would put on myself because my skin is so pale that this is sort of washes me out a bit more. But at the same time, it's quite nice. Once again, the lace is really soft, but as you can see, it is really see-through. It's just completely see-through. I'll also put a picture up now of me wearing this so you can see what it looks like on. As you can see, it's not a bad fit. I got this in a small. Honestly, I think I could have done with like an extra small, but I'm not sure that they did that. Once again, when this came, one of the straps was actually on inside out, like backwards. So I've actually re-sewn that back on so I could actually wear it because it just made it unwearable. And I'm also not one for wearing anything sort of really low cut, but for some reason I actually quite like this on, but I think I would prefer it in another colour, so I might go get the black, I don't know. I like how it has this elastic around the waist, which sort of pulls it in and it makes it look a lot more fitted. And it's also really comfortable to wear. I think to wear it out, if you maybe like with jeans, you would have to put a lining underneath, as I said, it is completely see-through. But I think with a lining, just maybe that top half, it would actually make it really wearable. But for 99p, I'm actually quite surprised with what turned up. I was expecting like doll-sized clothes or something. So that is my little eBay lingerie haul. As I said, everything was 99p. And I'm actually really surprised with the quality, like how soft everything is. I was expecting either nothing to turn up completely, or it to be like really itchy and hard and just really bad quality, to be honest. I mean, some of the sewing is questionable, but they all look pretty much like the listing and how they looked on their pictures. So I'm actually quite pleased with what turned up. So I hope you like this video, and if you'd like me to do another eBay lingerie haul, maybe spending a little bit more or just finding more 99p pieces, then please let me know. Also, let me know which set you thought looked best. For me, I'd go with the black one. That is my favourite out of all three. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!